Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very chatty finish getting ready with me. I filmed this eye look in another video, so I'll link that down below if you want to see it, but I just got on here and talked and talked and talked. I think I talked the entire time. I will have to cut a lot of crap out because I mean really, I feel like I talked about nothing. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you want to chit chat and get ready with me, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm just going to be talking and putting on the rest of my makeup. I did film this eye look, so if you want to see that, I will link it down below. It will definitely be up first, so if you want to see that, I am starting another 10 looks using one palette series with a new palette, so super excited to be starting another one. I'm going to prime. I'm just going to try to chat. I'm just priming with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused primer. I had an awful day yesterday. Just randomly, there was like nothing that was like horrible, like nothing happened. It was just like a normal day, and it was just a horrible day for me, like mentally. I don't even understand. Do any of you guys get like seasonal depression? Like for me, the weather totally affects my mood. Like when it's raining and it's like gray and dreary and just not nice, like those days I feel like I don't want to get up and like clean my house, or you know, it really brings me down, and it's super weird. And I'm sure I'm not the only person that gets that way with the weather. I think the weather is a big part of how my mood is. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is the shade Medium Olive. I'm gonna use my Sonia Kashuk sponge to blend that out. But I just had like a horrible day yesterday. Like I was so off. I like barely cleaned my house because I like clean the crap out of my house almost every single day. And you can tell when I'm not feeling it or if I have a bad day, because I don't do the stuff that I normally do every day. I don't know. So I had a super off day yesterday, and then today I woke up feeling really good and like in a really good mood and in a really good place and like ready to sit down and film, because really I should have filmed yesterday and I didn't because I didn't feel good. I don't know. It's very annoying when my mood is that affected by the weather. It was just a very annoying day yesterday. Like it's annoying when you're like sad and you're like, I have no reason to be sad. No, my life is good, my kids are awesome, but some days you just can't help when you feel like that. Like what are you supposed to do when you feel like that? So I just try to watch like funny shows that make me laugh, or Tay can always tell, my daughter, my 2-year-old, she can always tell when I don't feel the best, because she'll like always come up and snuggle me, and she's like, Mom, snuggle, like trying to help me feel better. She's so sweet. So she did that a lot yesterday, like snuggling me. I don't know, I was in such a weird place yesterday. It's like, what is happening? I just didn't even feel like myself. And I have like anxiety, but I don't have depression. And so when I get like that, it's either it's that time of the month, because I get crazy. Like really, I feel really bad. I'm gonna build up a second layer on my cheeks. But yeah, I'll be like crazy right before. And so that I can usually, I'm like, oh yeah, that's why. But like for yesterday, it was just like no reason at all. It was just, oh, you're just sad today and you're just gonna feel sad all day and be weird, and you know, like I don't even want to like cook dinner or anything. Like that's how bad it gets. That's how bad it was. But like I said, I feel so much better today. I literally woke up in an awesome mood. Oh my gosh, this is so dark on me. Good thing my like sweater comes all the way up, because ooh, that is, look how dark that is. So do any of you guys get that way? I hate those days where they're just random spurts of like super emotional. And like honestly, I don't get sad a ton unless it's like that time of the month and then I go through like a psycho phase. But does the weather affect you guys like that? And are there like tricks that you guys do to get out of that? Because seriously, yesterday I feel like I was so dramatic. And then I wake up today and I'm like, oh, look at you. Like when you're being a little baby like that. I'm just taking my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I'm in the shade of Fair. But anyways, that's why I like woke up today and I was all happy and I was like, I'm gonna film. Because really, I was supposed to film yesterday and I just didn't. And I do pretty good when I'm supposed to film or whatever. Like I try to keep a pretty good schedule with that and work it out and figure it out, you know. I just like put a ton of concealer on me to try to compensate for the fact that this foundation is 14 shades too dark for me. Ooh, it's kind of drying out quick, this concealer. I'm wondering if it's because this foundation's a little more matte. I'm gonna spray my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. Add a little bit of moisture because your girl is dry. I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace. Okay, so let me know if any of you guys go through that or have those random spurts where you're just like, what the heck, why am I so sad today? Like literally I could just sit and watch sad movies and cry. Like I feel like I cried so many times yesterday for nothing. But what do you guys do to get out of that, or to not be, I don't know. I just feel like I was being so over dramatic yesterday. Like I could have like dropped a cookie on the floor and I probably would have cried. This whole video is like a whole bunch of me calling myself a baby. But I know I'm not like the only one that goes through that. Like seasonal depression, or like your mood changes, especially like when it's just depending on the weather. I know it's super weird. Well, they say like sun is good for you, and so I know a lot of people that get seasonal depression, it's because you don't go outside, it's freezing. I'm in Wyoming, so it's like horrible. It's so cold here. And I will, like when I go outside, I'll just like go stand right in the sun, even if it's freezing, just to like get a little bit of sun. It's just not fun. And then when you have kids and like you have stuff that you have to do, like I have to feed them and keep them alive and keep them happy, you know. And when you have kids, it's like you can't just sit and wallow all day and then just like start over the next day. You still have to like be a functioning person, because I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I'm like the one that does everything. Yeah, I just like was not about it yesterday. I don't know. I just went on this big huge long thing that didn't even make sense. It's not fun though, but I'm so happy. I'm gonna contour with my Lorac contour palette and my Morphe R2. I'm so happy that I woke up this morning like instantly in a good mood after yesterday. Like woke up, I was like happy, excited. I like got stuff done. I had to take Bro to a doctor's appointment today and then take him to school. So I like got out of the house. I don't know, those days, they just really throw me off. So what is everyone doing for Christmas? We had like a ton of family here for Thanksgiving, and like basically the whole month of November was us having family and people here and staying with us. And so for Christmas, we're being super lazy. We're not going to see anyone. We're gonna stay here and hang out. No one's coming here to stay with us, which I'm fine with, because after November, that was like so many guests that I had. like staying with us, and it was just a busy month. I'm excited. Also, what are some of your guys' like holiday traditions? I love hearing, like, for your family, what traditions you guys have. We always do, let's see, what do we do? I feel like I need some chapstick or something. Okay, I just put chapstick on. But anyways, we always do pajamas on Christmas Eve, which I know is a lot of people's like tradition. I know a lot of people do that. But we also will add like popcorn and hot chocolate and like movie into that gift. So then when they go home, or when we go home after celebrating, because usually we do like Christmas Eve with my mom, like at her house, and do like lasagna on Christmas Eve. That's one of our family's like traditions, is we always have my mom's yummy lasagna for dinner on Christmas Eve. So that's really fun. But yeah, so we do the gifts, open one gift on Christmas Eve. Also, do you guys wait till midnight and then open all your Christmas presents? Because I hear a ton of people saying that, and we never did that. Like, we wait in the morning and would open our gifts. We also make it like a movie night in there, so they get like their pajamas and then like a Christmas movie and popcorn, like a bag of popcorn and hot chocolate and stuff. So then when we go home, they can watch their new movie and have hot cocoa in their new pajamas and stuff like that. And then also the last couple of years, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with the Hula Light. But the last couple of years we have like changed into our pajamas at my mom's house and then went to the light festival, or I don't know what it's called. I think I have it in a vlog, probably last year. Vlogged going to that. It's like this, the Camplex Park, and you drive through it and it's like all these lights and songs, and it's like really fun. So you just like drive through and look at all the lights, and it's super fun. So the last couple of years, I think we went and did that too. Like, we would stop at the gas station and get hot cocoa and then go out and look at the lights. And there are some cool houses here that do like crazy like Christmas light shows that will also stop at their house. They have like super cool ones where they have like music and like crazy projectors. There was this house last year. Oh my gosh, they killed it. They seriously had the coolest light show. And I think I recorded it. I don't think I vlogged it, but I think I like Snapchatted it, and yeah, it was super cool. But that's fun. And oh, Tay this year, I swear I've been non-stop talking this whole time. I'm gonna try to cut this down. I'm gonna take NARS Orgasm on this Morphe M530. But Tay this year, we just went this weekend for the first time to go see that like lights at the park. What is it called? I wish I could remember what it's called. She was so cute. I kept filming her because she was so dang cute. Like, was so excited. She's like, oh, mommy, lights. And then she'd be like, oh, pretty. It was just so cute. Like, pure joy on her face. And it was the cutest thing ever. I could have cried because it was so sweet. Oh, seriously. It was like the cutest thing ever. She's adorable. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. illuminating palette. I actually don't look like too tan. I look pretty tan. Like, compared to my neck. Anyways, I'm gonna mix these top two shades. I like this highlighting palette. It's very calm. It's very like everyday, but it is really pretty. Sometimes you don't want a blinding highlight. This is a highlight that you could like go over multiple times and it wouldn't get too crazy. Very pretty though. Oh, and I still have no ideas for my son. I'm like, we're like 3 weeks away from Christmas and I have no idea what to get. Like, I've got him small things, but I cannot figure out what to get him for his big gift. Like, I don't know, kid. I really don't. I have no idea what to get for him. For lips, I'm just gonna go in with my No Fail Lorac lipstick in Minimalist. And I think I'm going to tap over that with that pinky shade in the highlight palette. Just right on the center. Ooh, that pink one looks really pretty on this. I really like that. Okay. Oop. Then I'm going to spray my face with the Milani Make It Last. Okay guys, and I am going to go finish up my eyes and I will be right back. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is what the face looks like. And this eye look will be linked down below if you want to check it out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you have any videos or products you want me to try out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.